Welcome, my name is Keegan Brown and I am the Bioinformatics Training Coordinator at the Public Health Alliance for Genomic Epidemiology, or PHA4GE. Today, we're going to break down the basic concepts of Unix and why learning the command line is so important for anyone working in bioinformatics. If you've ever felt unsure about what the command line is or why it's useful, this will give you a clear, beginner-friendly overview to build your confidence. What is an operating system? Have you ever used Windows or Mac before? These are examples of operating systems, or an OS, which acts like a bridge between you, the user, and your computer. They let you interact with your computer using your mouse, keyboard, or touchscreen, making it possible to open apps, find files, and change settings easily. GUI versus CLI. Most of the time, these systems use a graphical user interface, or GUI, which uses icons and menus to create a user-friendly visual experience, like using a picture book instead of typing out instructions. But there's another way to interact with your computer that's more direct and powerful, especially for handling large amounts of data. It's called the command line interface, or CLI. Why the CLI matters in bioinformatics. At first, the CLI can look intimidating, but it's a powerful tool, especially in bioinformatics, where you work with massive data sets that tools like Excel can't necessarily handle efficiently. The CLI allows you to process thousands of files very quickly, automate repetitive tasks, and reduce mistakes, saving you time and letting you focus on the analyses. Understanding command structure. Commands in the CLI follow a simple structure: command, then options, then arguments. The command is what you want to do. Options modify how the command runs, and arguments give specific details for your task. For example, if you have a program called jump, you might type jump space dash high space dash no shoes to tell it to jump high without shoes. This structure helps give you clear, direct instructions to your computer. Next, you'll need to understand paths and navigating the Unix environment. You'll also learn about paths, such as an absolute path, which is like a complete address for a file, starting from the top of your system, like /home /user /file.txt. A relative path gives direct instructions from where you currently are, making navigation easier when working inside specific folders. Learning the Unix command line might feel different from using a mouse, but it'll give you powerful control over your data, let you run specialized bioinformatics tools efficiently, and automate any workflows you might have. Mastering the command line is an essential step in your bioinformatics journey, helping you save time and work more efficiently with your data. Thanks.